In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and enable Zephyr in Jira for test management. If you want to manage test cases, execution cycles, and requirement traceability directly inside your project tracking environment, Zephyr is a great way to keep everything in one place. Instead of switching between separate tools, you can bring testing right into your existing workflow. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access the app area, find Zephyr in the Atlassian Marketplace, start the installation, enable it inside a project, and confirm that everything is working correctly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian site or sign in through the Atlassian login page using your own account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look across the top navigation bar and click Apps. This is where Jira lets you manage and add marketplace integrations to your workspace. When the Apps menu opens, find the option labeled Find New Apps, or in some environments, explore More Apps and click it. This will take you into the Atlassian Marketplace view built into Jira, where you can browse and install available apps. Next, click into the search bar labeled Search for Apps, type Zephyr, and press Enter. The results will narrow down to the official Zephyr options. At this stage, choose the version that fits your team's setup. Zephyr Scale is typically used for larger, more scalable test repositories across projects, while Zephyr Squad, sometimes shown as Zephyr Essential, is geared toward teams that want testing more directly inside their sprint workflow. Click the option you want to use. On the app listing page, look to the upper right area for the button labeled Try It Free or Get It Now. Click that, and when the setup window appears, select Start Free Trial. Jira will then begin provisioning the app and attaching the license to your site. This may take a moment, so give it a few seconds to finish loading. Once the app has been added at the global level, you'll still need to enable it inside the specific project where your team will use it. Go back to the top navigation, Open Projects, and select the project you want. In the left-hand sidebar, scroll until you see Zephyr Scale or Zephyr Squad. Click it, then select the blue activation link that says, click here to enable. This connects the app to that project's workspace. Finally, return to your main project board and click the Create button at the top. In the issue creation window, open the issue type dropdown and confirm that you now will see a new issue type called test. That's your final verification that the setup completed successfully. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.